Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm Matt Larson 10. And now, in the past couple days, I've had some messages sent to me, and one of them actually is pretty intriguing because it's kind of clarifying and even just confirming of what I've said before. Now, there's this Facebook group called Lawyers for Ron Paul, and basically they're reiterating and actually giving law that shows delegates are not bound to any candidate. And it doesn't just happen to be any delegate, but it goes more in depth on how they even confirm delegates are not bound. This is a really good sign right here where they can find laws that are actually backing up what the RNC lawyer is saying. I will put the law down in the description in a link that's titled uscode.vlex.com. Just click on that. You can read it for yourself, but I'm going to read to you a little bit of the law, what it says for this. And it really is the key for us winning down in Tampa. We have so many delegates that are Ron Paul supporters, but are bound to Romney in different rounds of voting. With this law, we can completely just shatter any of this crap that's going on, whether it's in Massachusetts where they're trying to make people sign a affidavit saying that you will vote for Mitt Romney in the first round. You can throw that out the window, guys. This is for real. This is the truth. And here's what part of the law says. Intimidation, threats, or coercion, no person, whether acting under the color of law or otherwise, shall intimidate, threaten, coerce, or attempt to intimidate, threaten, or coerce any other person for the purpose of interfering with the right of such other person to vote or to vote as he may choose, or of causing such other person to vote for or not to vote for any candidate for the office of president, vice president, presidential elector, member of the Senate, or member of the House of Representatives, delegates, or commissioners from the territories or possessions at any general, special, or primary election held solely or in part for the purpose of selecting or electing any such candidates. Right there, it completely blows everything out of the water. Now it goes on a little bit farther. Preventing relief, injunction, rebuttable literacy presumption, liability of the United States for costs, state as party of defendant whenever any person has engaged or there are reasonable grounds to believe that any person is about to engage in any act or practice which would deprive any other person of any right or privilege secured by subsections A or B of this section. The Attorney General may institute for the United States or in the name of the United States a civil action or other proper proceeding for preventative relief, including an application for a permanent or temporary injunction, restraining order, or other order. No person has now, okay, that was the end of the law right there. No person has ever been disqualified for not voting with the unit. What that means, and we've talked about it before, there are no cases where you are bound to vote. Now, the rules might say that, but there is no law, and laws supersede rules. That's what we have to understand. So when all these people come out and they say, hey, you have to sign this affidavit or this oath of support to go and vote Romney until he's elected, all that's out the window. And none of that matters. So I'm going to put this link down below in the description for this whole law. And I suggest you read it. It is our ticket to the White House because once it's Ron Paul against Obama, it's game over. Also, link for Lawyers for Ron Paul down below. If you are on Facebook, I really highly suggest you get on there. They have a lot of great information on there. But yeah, it's the typical mainstream media trying to play off our weaknesses when it's not even our weakness. They're trying to create it to be our weakness on where we are actual delegates for other people, but we have become elected delegates. Ron Paul is going to win, guys. That's all you have to worry about. Ron Paul is going to be the winner. So make sure you thumbs up this video, share it with friends and family. I have rambled long enough. Also, if you're new to my videos, click that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the current Ron Paul news. I am Matt Larson 10. Go Ron Paul. Peace.